These guys are having a little love affair over here.
Yo, Mac Daddy.
Oh.
I have some really good ones on this one. I'm very excited about it. We're gonna have some major monkey photos to go through.
Okay, that's the same thing. Not quite. I got a puppy. She's not even a year yet, and I got her when she was. I've only had her.